Hey guys, PrintFix ID here. Is your Epson printer suddenly printing blank pages or not printing black ink at all? Usually caused by a clogged printhead. But don't worry, I'll show you 2 simple and effective ways to fix it, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. Alright, for the first method, we'll perform a printhead cleaning cycle multiple times. If your printer doesn't have a screen, just press and hold the stop button for about 5 seconds. Then release it. You'll hear the printer start making noise, and the lights will begin blinking. That means the cleaning process is running, so just wait until the lights stop blinking. Once the lights are stable, give it another 10 seconds, then try printing. You can repeat this 1 to 3 times to improve the result. If it's still not fixed after the third try, we'll move on to the second method. Turn off your printer, and then open it, just like this. Your printer model might open a little differently, but the repair method is the same. Place a support or holder so the scanner lid doesn't fall. Now push the printhead all the way to the right side of the printer. Now locate your printer's maintenance box. The position may vary depending on the model. Pull out the waste ink tube from the maintenance box. Next, grab a 50 milliliter syringe with a modified tip. Attach the syringe to the end of a waste ink tube. Then pull and hold the plunger until the ink starts flowing into the syringe. This method removes the ink blockage because the waste ink tube is connected directly to the printhead capping unit. Make sure to keep the plunger pulled and steady so it doesn't move back. Once there's no more pressure, carefully release the syringe and make sure it doesn't push back when you remove it. Next, you'll need to move the printhead to the center. To do that, turn this front gear counterclockwise a few times. This unlocks the printhead. Then push the printhead to the right first, and only then it can be moved to the center. Now pull the syringe again. This will clean any excess ink sitting in the capping station. Alright, that's enough. Remove the syringe and reinstall the waste ink tube properly. Close the printer. And now let's try copying a document in black-only mode. A quick note for you, run the printhead cleaning cycle 1 to 3 times if the print quality hasn't improved yet. And there you go. The print is now perfect and the black ink is back to normal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.